Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. We wish you all a happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Today, let's see how to prepare Kudumulu or Undrallu. Along with it, Potlakaya Perugu Pachadi or Snake Gut Chutney and Bachalikura Chinthapandu recipe, which is offered as Prasad to Lord Ganesha on Vinayaka Chavithi. After offering to God, me and my family members have Undrallu with Potlakaya Perugu Pachadi and Bachalikura Chinthapandu. This combination is very delicious and we eat this way in our home. Do try this and let us know how it turns. Undrallu is traditionally prepared from rice rava, but at my home we prepare with rice flour, which I am going to show in today's video. Take a wide pan, add 2 cups of water, allow the water to boil, then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of chana dal, which is soaked in water for 30 minutes. Add salt as per your taste. For Naivedyam to God, we should not add salt, but as I am preparing for video purpose, I am adding salt. Then add 1 cup of rice flour and mix well without any lumps. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil, switch off the flame and mix everything to form a dough. Now transfer this to a separate bowl and allow it to cool down. Rub some oil to your palms. Pinch a lemon-sized dough and make the shape of a ball. Prepare similarly with the rest of the dough. Now keep this aside. Boil water in pressure cooker to steam the rice balls. Take idli stand, rub some oil as shown in video. Place the rice balls in the idli plate. Now close the lid and steam for 10 minutes without whistle. Now you can see our Undrallu are ready to serve. Offer this as Naivedyam to Lord Ganesha. You can have this with snake gut yogurt chutney and Malabar Spinach curry. Do try this combination and let us know how it turns out. Let's see how to prepare Potlakaya Perugu Pachadi, which is snake gut yogurt chutney. It is mild, spicy and flavorful recipe which can be prepared in very less time. First, take 450 grams of bottle gourd, peel off the skin and remove the seeds and fiber which is inside and chop the bottle gourd into pieces as shown in video. Next, boil 2 to 3 cups of water. Add the chopped snake gourd pieces. Cook this. Close the lid and cook for 10 to 15 minutes until they turn soft. You can see in the video, they are completely cooked. Now remove the water and allow them to cool down. Once the snake gourd is cooled down, transfer to a bowl, take a handful of pieces, squeeze the water out and transfer to a separate bowl. You can see the process in the video. Now add 2 cups of thick yogurt. Make sure to take only thick yogurt. Whisk it and add this to the snake gourd pieces. Add 1 cup of chopped onions. Two green chilies chopped. Leave some for the tempering. Half a cup of cilantro or coriander leaves, some salt to taste and mix everything. Next, for the tempering, take a pan, add 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon urad dal, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, half a teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger, chopped chilies, 1 string of curry leaves, 2 dry red chilies. Saute them. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. Mix everything. Now, allow this to cool down and add this tempering to the yogurt snake guard mixture. Make sure to add the tempering only once it is cooled down. Now mix everything to combine all the flavors. That's it. Our Potlakaya Perugu Pachadi or snake guard yogurt chutney is ready to serve. You can have this with rice, roti, pulkas or bread of your choice. Bachalikura Chinthapandu or Malabar Spinach is a blend of tangy and spicy flavors. It tastes delicious and can be made very easily. In a pan, take chopped Bachalikura leaves or Malabar spinach, add 1 cup of chopped onions, tamarind soaked in water for 15 minutes. Add this along with the pulp. Add 1 cup of water. Mix everything. Close the lid and allow it to cook until all the water is evaporated. You can see the onions are cooked as you smash. Now smash everything and cook for few more minutes until all the water is evaporated. And keep this aside. In a pan, add 4 tablespoons of oil. Once oil is hot, add half a teaspoon mustard seeds, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 string curry leaves, 2 dry red chilies, 5 to 6 slit green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Mix everything. Now add the cooked Bachalikura. Mix this with the tempering. Add salt to your taste, some chili powder to your spice level and mix everything. Finally, add handful of coriander leaves and mix them. That's it. Our tangy and tasty Bachalikura Chinthapandu is ready to serve. You can have this with rotis and rice. Do try this and let us know. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking, Zindagi!